Hello and welcome to the 10th November edition of our aviation news review here at News.AirClips.com. I'm Patrick. First of all, MarketWatch reports that quite a new airline alliance has formed of a different nature than we are used to so far in the industry. Founding members Alaska Airlines, JetBlue, United and Amazon Air have formed the so-called Sustainable Aviation Buyers Alliance with the objective to offset flight emissions by boosting sustainable fuel sources. Obviously a bottleneck for the industry right now, limiting possibilities to get more sustainable instantly. CNBC reports that Boeing has delivered 27 aircraft in October, marking the 9th consecutive month of net positive sales at the same time. The only aircraft which is still a bottleneck for Boeing customers is the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, where deliveries are still slow following the discovery of manufacturing flaws. Barrows reports that airline stocks in the US are surging after the reopening of the United States to large groups of international travelers like the ones from the European Union, with airline stocks surging. For example, United Airlines, Delta Airlines and American Airlines each advanced by more than 2% at the stocks. Last but not least, Flight Global reports that GE, General Electric, announced that their group wants to become solely an aviation group by spinning off other businesses until early 2024. This announcement comes roughly a week after the sales of the leasing wing of GE, GECAS, to AerCap of Ireland. You will always find all the links to the original articles in the YouTube description of the original YouTube upload of this film at News.AirClips.com, where you can also subscribe for your daily short news service. Thank you very much and see you again tomorrow.